So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to solve this amazing question, right? Amazing Diophantine equation. You can call this Diophantine equation, right? X square plus x equal to y square. This is very amazing question. And now let's see how do we solve this question, right? I will solve this question by two methods in this video. So pay attention throughout the two methods, and in any method you have any doubt, any query, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? So what is the question? X square plus x equal to y square. So now, how do we proceed? If I talk about first method, so what we are going to do in first method? So for example, if I take y equal to 0, right? If I take guess and take y equal to 0, so what will the value of x? If I put y equal to 0, then x square plus x equal to 0. Agree? Now, if I factorize this equation, then it will become x into x plus 1, right? If I take common x, then what will remain? X plus 1, which is equal to 0. So I will get two value for x, which is x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1, right? This way I can solve if I want any value in integer, right? But obviously I cannot find every value. Why? Because there will be infinite many solutions for this equation. So what am I going to do? I will find a generalized solution, right? In which if you put different value, you will get different answer for x and y, right? So now if I put y equal to 0, I will get two value of x, which is equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1, right? I will get two value 0 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0. So now what we will do, how we will find generalized formula for this equation. So for that, if I write this equation, x square plus x equal to y square, right? Now if I factorize, it will become x into x plus 1 equal to y square. Now on right hand side I have perfect square, right? Which means in left hand side also I want perfect square, right? Then only both of these will be equal. So here I have x. If I got one more x, then it can become a perfect square, right? So pay attention here. Here I have x plus 1. Suppose if I put xt square instead of x plus 1, right? So then what will happen? Right. If I put xt square, then this can become easily perfect square, right? And both of this become easy. Why I have put xt square instead of x plus 1? Because if I put xt square, then this equation will become very simple to solve. You will go to know later in this question. But for example, if I put let x plus 1 equal to xt square, then what will happen, right? If I put x plus 1 equal to xt square, and if I subtract both the side by x, then it will become xt square minus x equal to 1, right? If I take x common from this equation, then x equal to t square minus 1 equal to 1, right? Now I only want integer value of x, right? If I want only integer value of x, and then what will be the value of t? For example, if I put t equal to 1, right? If I put t equal to 1 or minus 1, the answer will be x into 0. Now x into 0 cannot be equal to 1, which means the value of t cannot be equal to plus or minus 1, right? I hope you agree with this. I hope you understand this, right? The value of t cannot be equal to plus or minus 1, because if I take value of x, then it will be 1 divided by t square minus 1. If I put t equal to plus or minus 1, then denominator will become 0 and answer will be infinity, which is not possible, right? That's why value of x will be equal to 1 upon t square minus 1, where t is not equal to plus or minus 1. Now pay attention here. Here I have x equal to 1 by t square minus 1, right? Now what will the value of phi? That is the main question, right? So you can see here that y square equal to x into x plus 1. I have assumed x plus 1 equal to x t square. So I can write y square equal to x square t square, right? So I will get two value for x, y, xt, and y equal to minus xt. Agree? So now if I simply put value of x from this equation, then y equal to t divided by t square minus 1, one value, and another value will be y equal to minus t divided by t square minus 1. Agree? So I will get two forms, right? Generalized form, for which you can put different value and you will get different value, different answer, right? So for example, if you put t equal to 0, if you put t equal to 0 in this equation, right, then 0 minus 1 and numerator also 0, so y equal to 0. Same I got here, right? If I put y equal to 0, I will get x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1, right? So this is our answer. So now Now, if I talk about second method, right? If I talk about second method, how will I get integer value, right? Now, make sure one thing, then here I am only talking about integer value, right? There are many fraction value also which will answer of this question, right? But here I will only discuss about integer value, right? That's why I only take case of y equal to 0 here, right? You can put different value of t except plus or minus 1, right? So if I talk about now second method, I hope first method is clear, that I find generalized form. You can put different value of t and you will get different value of x and y. So now in second method, what we'll do? Here I have question x square plus x equal to y square. Now if I multiply by 4 both the side, then what will happen? 4 into x square plus x equal to 4y square, right? So it will become 4x square plus 4x equal to 4y square. Now, to make the perfect square both the side, if I add plus 1 both the side, right? If I add plus 1, 4x square plus 4x plus 1, which is equal to 4y square plus 1. Right? So this will become 2x plus 1 whole square. Here I have 4y square, which is 2y whole square plus 1. Agree? So now, if I subtract both the side by 2y square, right? If I subtract 2y square from both the side, then 2x plus 1 whole square minus 2y square. And on right hand side it will become only plus 1, right? So this is the formula of a square minus b square, right? I am sure all of you know formula of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? This is very important formula. Almost in every question you will use this formula, right? So make sure you know about this formula. So it will become 2x plus 2y plus 1 into 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 1, right? So now two number which are multiplied and you will get answer 1. So there are two possibility. If 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 1 and 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 1, right? If I put both the value 1, then I will get answer as a 1. So now in this case, if you put y equal to 0, right, then you will get x equal to 0. You can check, right? If you put y equal to 0, then 2x plus 1 equal to 1 and 2x equal to 0, which means x equal to 0 also. But there is another possibility also, which 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to minus 1, right? And 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to minus 1, right? If I put both the value minus 1, then also I will get answer 1, right? And in this case, when you put y equal to 0, you will get x equal to minus 1, right? We have discussed earlier before, right? 0 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0 you can check out by both the method, right? So I hope you got it. This is, as I said, very interesting question. You will learn a lot in this question, right? I hope you got it. And as I said, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can comment me in the comment box. For me, second method is quite easy, but if you want generalized form, then first method is for you, right? And thank you so much for watching this video.